Synthetic biology is an emerging discipline that takes genetic engineering a step further. This is done by introducing artificially synthesized genetic material, such as DNA, from raw materials into an organism. Synthesized DNA is added to a pre-existing sequence of DNA in a cell, creating a new genome. The synthesized DNA provides new instructions for coding proteins, therefore resulting in an entirely new organism with completely different functions. Synthetic biology provides a realm of possibilities with the ultimate goal of benefiting society. Since synthetic biology has grown as one of the most prominent fields in genetics, there are many applications of synthetic biology in the world and numerous research projects being conducted. Some of these applications include biofuels, bioplastics, and biosensors.
Imagine the world without petroleum. Gas is just one petroleum product that fuels the world. We use it for our cars, trucks, construction vehicles, boats, our machines, and our planes. These machines are also fueled by ethanol, which uses crops and land, which could otherwise be used for global food supplies. Synthetic biologists are researching ways to build biofuels that would produce far fewer greenhouse gas emissions and would limit or eliminate the necessity for fuels to be pumped from the ground. Therefore, the necessity for a limited resource would be replaced by a sustainable one. One of the methods being explored is that of using algae and cyanobacteria. This requires light, carbon dioxide, and nutrients to produce biofuel. Researchers hope to one day mass-produce this method to provide enough biofuel to sustain our dependence on fuel-reliant machines. The estimated oil yield from cyanobacteria and microalgae is approximately 100 times greater per hectare of crop than ethanol from biomass. Biofuel produced by algae and cyanobacteria is more affordable, for it is a direct method of creating fuel compared to the expensive processes that are associated with petroleum oil.
Synthetic biology technology is now at a stage where plastics can be made from renewable biomass sources such as starch, cellulose, and chitin. These plastics, known as bioplastics, are a sustainable alternative to fossil fuel plastics, which are made from petroleum. Bioplastics can be used for many different applications, and some are even able to biodegrade. Although popularized by molded plastic products, bioplastics may also be used in textiles, foams, and films. Many of the molded bioplastic products, such as disposable packaging, bottled water and food containers, and flexible packaging, grocery bags and films, are genetically engineered to be biodegradable. The plastic bag shown is a biodegradable bag with the unique additive D2W, which turns ordinary plastic at the end of its useful life into a material with a completely different molecular structure. At that stage, it is no longer a plastic and has become a material which can be bioassimilated in the open environment in the same way as a leaf.
Research is being conducted to create biosensors that will be capable of detecting a range of toxins and heavy metals in water. Researchers aspire to have biosensors that could also release genetically engineered bacteria, which are capable of digesting and neutralizing toxins and heavy metals, if the levels of toxins and heavy metals are too high. Access to clean water is an important global concern.
Yay for synthetic biology!